Welcome to your Michigan Compass. Today, we visit Kalahari Resort and Water Park in Sandusky, Ohio. Come along with us on this out-of-bounds adventure. Let's start things off with a tour of our room. If you look over here, we've got a refrigerator, pretty decent size, enough to fit quite a bit of food and beverages in if you were staying for a long period of time. Microwave, big screen TV, not that we'll be using that. We brought our own water. The room itself has a table over here. We have two beds. It's nicely decorated too. It reminds me of something you'd see in Disney World, maybe Animal Kingdom or something like that. And there's a couch that turns into a bed, perfect for kids. And I forgot to mention, here's the bathroom. It's pretty good size. There's a mirror on the door. Just your average bathroom. Toilet, tub type shower. Well, we're gonna go explore the theming in our hotel. It's very cool. For example, there's artwork throughout the hallways, this one being a picture of sharks. And next to the artwork, there is a little placard that tells you about the artwork or photo. Heading into the main area of the hotel, there are several restaurants, stores, gift shops, candy places, you name it. It's like a small indoor theme park. We noticed this Deluxe Burger and decided to take a look at their menu and see what they had to offer. Many of these restaurants also have windows that look out into the water park area. This area of the hotel is beautifully themed, complete with palm trees and animals and different safari type prints. It's just incredible to walk around and look at. We eventually made our way downstairs to explore the lower level. We booked this trip using a Groupon, which included not only the hotel stay and water park, but also some credits to be used for the arcade or for some of the other options they had down here. Besides the latest arcade games, there were plenty of games that offered tickets, such as skee ball, basketball, and other similar games. My daughter actually ended up winning 1,000 tickets on the Wheel of Fortune game and was able to redeem them for some nice prizes. They also had some escape rooms, and while we didn't try the escape rooms, everything else that you see here in this video was done using the credits that were included with our Groupon. We're heading in to play some blacklight mini golf. Let's go inside and check it out. Hello, sir. Have you seen a golf ball anywhere? He doesn't seem to be too helpful. Oh, it is the angry Tiki God. We have to get the ball up in his pinball machine. No! Some of the other offerings here included laser tag and a 7D theater, which included a motion chair as well as a gun, surround sound, and wind coming from different angles. Another area offered a miniature bowling alley, though my daughter just wasn't very good at bowling. We ended up stopping for a bite to eat at the cafe downstairs. I ended up getting the chicken burrito, which was choose your own ingredients. It was very good. And my wife got the turkey bacon pesto club with fries, which was also very good. And of course, my daughter ended up getting mac and cheese with some french fries. The total cost for everything here was around $32.
Are you having fun?
Yes!
Alright, so we're heading over to the Ivory Coast restaurant, and we're gonna have dinner. So the booth they sat us at is kind of framed in with wood. It's a cool little lantern or light. Has like rocks in it. Kind of interesting. So this is the menu here. Quite a bit to choose from. They also have a burger bar, which I thought was interesting. Quite a few salads. And here is the backside. Wraps and sandwiches, as well as some entrees. We also forgot to mention they have these awesome frozen drinks. We had one earlier out by the pool at the, I think it was called the Mud House, which is a sit down in the hot tub style walk-up bar. And it's 21 and up, but was really nice. And so these are some of the cocktails they have, and you might be wondering, well, how much are these cocktails? And they are $22 if you get them in this fancy souvenir glass. And if you decide, there's more by the way on the back side here, if you should decide that you want one of these lovely cocktails in a non-souvenir glass, it's $11. See some zebras off in the distance back there. Yeah, they're looking over your shoulder. You see them?
Oh, that's great.
There's also some really nice artwork over here. We ended up going with the creamy bacon burger. Looks pretty good. Bacon, fries, pickle. And if you want to see one of the kids' meals,
It is a puppy with cheeseburgers.
These are the mini burgers.
Cheeseburgers with American cheese and broccoli and some fries for mommy and daddy's plate.
Well, dinner was good. I would recommend it. We had a few flaws with dinner. We didn't have any silverware to start with. And then we had another issue where they forgot to bring us the appetizer plates for our appetizer. Aside from that, dinner was really good. Very tasty meal, and I do recommend it. Next on our list of things to check out is Java Manjaro Coffee and Pastries, and they have some really good-looking desserts in here, which we'll get to in just a moment. They also have plenty of drinks, beverages, fresh fruit, and then here are those wonderful little desserts. Cupcakes and tiramisu teacup strawberry cheesecake, and a rainbow, which is sponge cake, icing, and ganache. Also have giant macaroons, Reese's cheesecake, strawberry tarts, the flourless tart, white chocolate Oreo cheesecake, and one of my favorites,
Can we throw this away?
a fruit tart.
Wait, no. Can I put
Peanut butter seduction. We couldn't make up our mind which one, so we got all three. This is the
It's a tiramisu.
tiramisu, that's right. But it's a cup, and it comes in a little gift box, which is really cute. We'll open that up. Look at that. It's a cup tiramisu cake. Amazing. My daughter ended up going with they call it the rainbow.
Because I love
Sponge
you.
cake and marzipan.
Yep, with a little bit of ganache.
Because I'm unique
And then I went with the classic, a fruit tart. So we're gonna chow down on these, and we're going to sugar overdrive. If you're with a group of people or you're just looking for some privacy, you can rent one of the many bungalows located around the water park for a premium. This water park is by far the biggest that I have ever been to. There are dozens of water slides, and you can even do indoor surfing. This girl makes it look easy, but trust me, it really isn't. I watched about 10 people before her, and not one of them lasted more than 5 seconds. There are tons of water slides here, family water slides with a raft, racing water slides, even a water coaster. There's a tiki bar located right in the middle called Monsoon Saloon. And the Zulu Grill has excellent pizza. It's some of the best I've ever had. There's quite a few areas for the kids as well, including this splash and play area and a couple of wading pools. And weaving in and out of all the slides and different areas is the lazy river. Well, we finished up our day with a trip to the hot tub. Or should I say, hot pool, because this was a very large hot tub that even went outside. As a reminder, I'll put a link to Kalahari in Sandusky, Ohio in the show notes for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the compass so you can stay tuned for future episodes. And remember, adventure is just a short drive away.